Hi, welcome back to Rebecca's Travels, or if you're watching my lifestyle channel, welcome back to Rebecca's Lifestyle. It's a beautiful day here in the Midlands. It's lovely, hot and sunny, and it's fantastic. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're new here, please subscribe. It's the red and white subscription button. Also click the notification bell so you never miss a vlog. I upload 5 times a week on both channels. And also, if you click the join button, it's the blue and white button, and you can join my travel channel for just 99p a month to gain extra perks. So let's get on with the video. Today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful footage video of Coalville Collery, Grange. So it's absolutely beautiful, the Coalville Nature Grange. Definitely would recommend if you come into Coalville in the Midlands. So thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow with a video of Evans's Fair, another video. So please keep watching, and bye for now, and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.